any conflict with the neighboring communities. Most of them run to this mountain to hide from their enemies.
Good morning. Guys, I've just had the coldest shower of my life. Heater isn't working. So now I'm in bed, but I wanted to show you like something weird. I mean, not weird, but yeah. You know how like you're in another country and then your phone picks the time of your own country and then the country that you are in, so that you can know like the time difference, and it shows you like the 2 clocks. My phone is showing 2 clocks: Douala, Cameroon, and then Lagos. This Obudu literally borders Cameroon, and the area I'm lodged, the governor's lodge, is closer to the border. Basically, I'm basically in Cameroon, to be honest. Obudu, I can see Cameroon. If I walk just a little further, I'm seeing Cameroon there. So my phone is showing the 2 countries. Wow. So I can basically say I've been to Cameroon.
The next morning.
Good morning, guys. Good morning from Obudu Cattle Ranch. Wow. I had such a great night, such a great sleep. I've never felt so good. Guys, I have a special guest with me. Oh, hi guys.
Welcome to Ladei's channel. Today I'm going to be taking over her voiceover.
Voila. Hi. So it is day 1 of our Obudu tour, and we are basically going to the Canopy walk. But guys, this place is not as cold as I remember it to be. It's actually quite hot, and now I'm dressed like, but it's hot, guys. It's sunny. It's still cool. The air is cool, but I can feel the sun, and then the clouds are not as cloudy.
Look at this signboard now. This is the nature. The real nature, the nature reserve stuff. But the one we can access right now is the Canopy walkway. So the Canopy walkway is this way.
Alright.
The reason why they call this place the Fern Tree Grove is because of these fern plants around here. There were a lot of them around here. So this place, they prepared it mostly for tourists that want to have their quiet moment. You can come here, spend time with nature. As you're going around, you see most of the trees with tags on it. Their uses, and like for example, you can see that one there, that tag on it.
She said I'm trying to survive. Yes, I'm here.
Yes, ma, I'm here.
What's it going up? We are doing the canopy. Where is Wanto?
I'm here.
Wanto, say hi. So guys, yeah. And the fact that I'm having to hold my phone and also do this is not making it.
That's like a lot, guys.
Easy.
This video has to get like 100.
Please.
Or 10 million views.
Yes, please.
Because you need to see the work she's putting in to get this video to you guys.
Let them know.
And
Let
do you
them
know.
I'm
She's working on air.
Yes.
To get this content.
I'm basically risking my life. Risking my life. Okay, now this place is high.
Yeah,
I need to stop.
What's at the finish line? Champion!
Winner! Guys, just look at this view. Look at this amazing stuff. Like crazy. It's giving me essay. It's giving me Bali.
Like, what is also covering your face is your face.
Back to the room for a quick change of clothes, because you know your outfit has to match the vibe, otherwise you know go jail. I'm just here to change and then we continue the tour. But guys, I'm tired. Trouble like say make I rest. I'm ready. Is like I'm a different person because I'm wearing. Okay, let me just show you from here. Here's my outfit, my second outfit of the day. It's just a simple dress.
Welcome to the Holy Mountain.
Thank you.
Charlie, the reason why they call this place the Holy Mountain is because during the time of our forefathers, anytime they have any conflict with the neighboring communities, most of them run to this mountain to hide from their enemies. So if you look down there, those heaps of sand you're seeing there, they were bunkers. They are 62s in number. They were dug by our forefathers. That bunkers helped them to, stay alive from their enemies. So during that Biafra war too, most of the Biafran soldiers run to this part of the mountain to hide from Nigerian soldier. So the people now decided, since this mountain has been saving life, they should name it the Holy Mountain. And right from that period till now, there are testimonies about this mountain. People do come here to pray for job opportunities. Some come here to pray for fruit of the womb, and they come back to give testimonies about this mountain.
Amazing. So we're here now at Grotto Waterfall. It's like one of the mini waterfalls here, Grotto. See the walkway all the way to today we walk out. Okay, that one on your page. Guys, I'm sorry it's dark. I wish I brought my lights. Did I? I didn't. I'm sorry it's dark, but I just changed into my swimsuit because I kind of want to play with the water a little bit. So yeah, that is the waterfall behind me. Can you see? How is there? Let me go forward. Dinner, ding.
Does everybody want to
Yeah.
The next morning.
Good morning and welcome to day 2, my second full day here in Obudu Cataract. I mean, it's my 3rd day, but this is my 2nd full day. Just take a look at this cloudy beauty. Like I'm breathing in clouds right now, and I can literally see it moving in front of me. I don't know if you can. Too crazy. Look at that. Wow. This weather calls for hot tea or hot chocolate. So I just made myself that, hot chocolate just to keep warm. And I'm losing my voice. I don't know why. Anyways, we move.
It's Burna Boy.
I'm ready for the day. she says she's still making her face.
Do you want to dish your food?
Yeah. So breakfast is served, and breakfast is jollof rice. Hope you can see this. Jollof rice, beef, and some plantains.
This one thing.
Outfits check. Here's my outfit for the day. I'm wearing this, I don't know, I call it POP uniform, but like it's cute. I'm wearing this beanie from Wanto from AQ.
Ariwani Queen
AQ, and then my glasses and my sneakers fit on point. And then inside I have my swimsuit that I'm going to wear at the waterfall. So let's go. This horse is lazy.
We don't tire. Yeah. No fit tire. Bye bye. Hey guys, what's up? This is your girl Wanto, and I am raiding Ladei's vlog. See her there. I don't know if you guys can see her. Can you see her? She's somewhere there. Great. So back to me. Like I was saying, I'm raiding her YouTube. So guys, follow me at Wanto Toyem. Wait, let me do something to this lens. I feel like it's so much. It's too bright, but can you see me? Yeah. I'm going to show you the girl who I decided to steal her camera and do this video. She's having a swell time, and here is the girl. Here is the girl. Yay. How's the ride, babe? It was good.
I'm literally going to ride into the cloud. Like, it's as if God is breathing out the carbon monoxide. He's just giving it to me to breathe in. I don't even know. God is dashing me free oxygen in its purest form. Sorry. See, I'm still recording. Okay, I'm going down. This, oh my God. Okay, I have to stop. Oh,
I am Mistura and welcome to Obudu. As you can see, I'm literally in the clouds. I mean, so if you haven't been to Obudu, this is your I'm shy. I'm shy.
Are you shy?
Sorry for the commercial break. I look so pretty. I mean, yeah. I'm supposed to look at this camera. Oh, I was looking here. What do you want to do?
Okay, you want to.
Very difficult. Hey, wait.
Guys, we started the walk.
Yes, we have.
This very difficult walk. I'm even already hot.
I'm scared to check.
I don't know if you can see what I'm seeing, but like it's literally a steep like this, and we're going down like this. But this is not the main waterfall we're going to. Bruh,
Is a risk, but
life is a risk for this waterfall.
Come and take your last born. No, I've not even reached anywhere. She's already shouting, my mommy, my mommy. Like, yeah, see how deep. Like, if you do a mistake.
Hey, God forbid.
no trouble.
Bruh.
Please don't tell me that's where we. See, why are they stopping there?
Going down here, oh my God.
We have to do this thing.
Yes.
Yes, man.
Like, really?
We're already here. We are here.
Take it from here, really.
Please, can I remove my slippers?
Yes, you can. Every other person is there. Everybody is there. We're still here. Like, it's so difficult. Gosh, the guy had to cut stick for me. Even with this stick safe, I beg. I don't even know why I decided to do this again. Finally, brothers and sisters, we are here. I don't want to do this again ever in my life. See how dirty my bum looks. It's crazy. See this. See the gorgeousness of God. Yes.
The next morning.
How high
Guys,
is it?
Well, 1,000
We're
man.
getting there, Abby.
Are you doing? Man, you want the one with small tomo?
Whoa, it's
Wow.
not Abby.
Yes.
Hot peppers.
This one does that. Okay. And the water.
Good morning, people. It's my last day here in Obudu, but before we head to Enugu, we're going to the Angel's View just to see, and then we'll be on our way to Enugu. Oh my god, last day. Sound. This is the presidential villa. Wow. We are at the Angel's View, but I think the angels have disappeared, because I remember this place to have like a blue strip across and different shades of blue. So you see like stack of like royal blue, sky blue, aqua blue, then into the sky. Right now it's just, someone said this is not the weather, so I guess, but I'm quite disappointed. The view is still viewing, but it's not giving angel's view. Oh, it's paining me. It's paining me. Seriously. I'm already on my way back to Enugu, and I think I want to end the vlog here because I want my Enugu vlog to start when I get to Enugu. Guys, it was such a lovely time at Obudu Cataract, now known as Obudu Mountain Resort. We're here in the middle of the road because we had a flat, so we're changing the tires now. I feel like it's a good time for me to end this vlog. Want to come and say bye? I want to end my Obudu vlog here.
Hi.
So this is where we end the vlog, and we start another one when we get to Enugu.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
Bye.
Don't forget to
subscribe to her channel, like this video, share with your friends and family, and see you guys in our next one. Bye bye.